Customers, brands, they ask, why K2 inks? Why should we be promoting, specifying the K2 inks for our garments? One of the key assurances Zydex brings to the table for the printer, for the exporter and for the brand owners is that all our chemicals are screened and are not containing any of the hazardous material or materials which have been identified as toxic. Their levels, their presence are monitored as per the guidelines given, the best so far. We as a company are ZDHC level 3 compliant, which means not only we are compliant to the standards, but at an audit level we are compliant. That means we maintain good systems, good traceability in our company in terms of managing the RSL compliance. Very few colors we have, like FLSC inks, which few of them may not be compliant for baby wear, but would be compliant for the adult wear. So those exceptions are clearly notified to the brand owners and to the production houses. And we also have eco-friendly orange colors, eco-friendly orange inks, which do not lead to any azo failures, particularly with the black. As a company, we hardly had any failures in the last, I would say, 22 years in terms of the RSL compliance. And the customers have a deep faith that if it is Zydex ink, if it is K2 ink, it will never fail. And we live by that standard. We test all the raw materials, we test all the products, we randomly do all detailed testing, and we deliver a quality assurance unmatched on a global scale. Thank you.